Flowers have many different shapes, sizes, and colors, all designed and structured to allow for pollination, some by animals, some by wind, some by gravity, some by just luck. This is a plant called the thistle, and when you pull it up, you can see that it has one really big, deep root. Notice that it has little projections on the edge. Here's a better picture where you can see the little projections where it collects water when it rains really fast. It only lives one season. It's pretty much just going to reproduce and build seeds. Aloe vera plant has many structures that allow it to retain water. The leaves are these long spear-shaped projections that seem to have spikes on it. But that is not what keeps the water inside. Inside the leaf are little vacuoles, or another word for vacuoles is pockets. Here's a leaf of an aloe vera. I'm going to cut it open.
There's always something to remind me.
Bivalves have a shell which consists of two rounded halves called valves, which are often, but not always, a mirror image of each other. The two valves are joined at one edge by a flexible ligament, and this ligament, in conjunction with the interlocking teeth that usually occur in the same area, are known collectively as the hinge. These shells are hard structures, which is a structure that allows the function of protection for the animal because they are a soft, visceral mass without any interior skeleton. Here are three casts of fossilized teeth from different large vertebrate dinosaurs. The animals must have eaten different kinds of food, as well as had different behaviors. The structure is the shape of the teeth, whereas the function is what type of food they must have eaten.
It's only been a week. The rush of being home and rapid fading. Failing to recall what I was missing all that time in England. It sent me aimlessly on foot or by the help of transportation to knock on windows where
The skin has the most obvious function, which is to keep other stuff out and to protect the internal organs from just like drying out. The muscles underneath the skin allow for movement and support. Muscles are attached to bones by ligaments and tendons, and they are the mechanisms for muscles to move the bones. So all three, muscle, skin, and skeleton, are for support and movement of the chicken. How would their cells be different? Would the structures in their cells also be different?
well, love that traveled far, it found me. We stayed outside till 2, waiting for the light to come back. We didn't talk, I knew, until you asked what I was thinking.
Hey, so who do you think's gonna make the wisecrack about flowers being the sex organs of plants? Probably that wise kid that's always getting in trouble.